Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aries. These are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aries, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So that reading may answer the questions you have in your mind regarding your circumstances or some doubts. It may clear some doubts. So you can watch that, guys. Stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies first, Aries. We have 9 of water, 7 of earth, and 10 of fire. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You are thinking about something you need to do, maybe in your work. You have come to a crossroad, maybe. You are deciding whether to go left or right and what will be the right thing for you. And you may have some worries or fears whether this will work out for you or what will happen in your future. But you need to understand that whatever you choose, that choice will be the choice that has been destined to you, and it is going to work out in the right way, and that higher spirit or universe is going to guide you no matter what you are choosing, guys. So your choice is based on your thinking or your the way you are inspired to. So it is for that highest good. So whatever is supposed to unfold today in your situation, that is what you are choosing for yourself, guys. So you need not worry. And maybe for some of you, you are in some circumstance, maybe whatever was not working for you. Maybe you are changing the way things are, maybe changing yourself emotionally, physically, or it may be something external. You are changing the place of work, you are going for some remodeling or going for some decluttering your workspace, or it may be your home. So all that was occupying, giving that negative energy, you're giving all that up. So it may be your behavior or the way you speak. So you're doing some emotional changes, or it may be physical changes, and that is going to clear the way things are for you, give you that space and freedom for some new beginning coming in your life. So it may be a new beginning in your relationship or a new beginning in your career situation, guys. And you're simply happy, content, satisfied with this new change that is coming towards you, and you are going to feel really fulfilled and complete with this change. And it may be some kind of a dream that has come true in your life. So it may be some situation in your relationship or that sense of satisfaction in your work situation, Aries. So for your relationship, we have Magician. So with this card, you are feeling really inspired. So you may have a what to say, attraction towards some kind of a person or a circumstance. You want to do certain things today, you feel inspired to do it. So some kind of an intuition is working for you, helping you out, guiding you today. And you need to understand that it is that higher powers help or guidance that is working through you, helping you out and helping you beautifully in this connection. So you feel really inspired, happy, emotional maybe for some of you. And happiness is what I see for your relationship, guys. So for your career situation, we have 9 of earth. So things are going in a positive way, guys, just like I said. So maybe whatever was not working for you, you are changing it, and that may be the reason we see a positive card again in your work situation. So you are moving towards a firm, secure and solid future in your career situation, guys, Aries. So that is the reading for you all today, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So I'll keep the second card aside. For those who chose this first card, it is Seraphos Green Quartz. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all is that in your circumstances today, you are in a situation, you have done everything possible, but truth or the reality is something different which you cannot accept, which you find it really difficult to accept. And you have been rigid all along, you have been rigid till now. But now you have come to a state of acceptance, accepting things, ready to accept things as it is. So this is the time you will experience clarity in your situation, guys, clarity in your relationship. And this is the time for you to see the truth, being really honest about the things that we can change and what we cannot change. And it is a big step today in your connection, so you will have a better understanding that whatever situation you are in, you are totally helpless. You are at the mercy of the universe or your circumstances or destiny, whatever you call it. So you are unable to change. But when you accept that situation, accept this pain or tears as it is going to give you that clarity, guys, in your heart, and you're going to feel a harmony and balance. So whatever is rightfully yours will never miss you, guys. You can trust on that. So if this love is rightfully yours, it is meant to be. This person will realize your love, will realize your worth. But if it is not, there is a better person, a better love on its way right now towards you, and it is much more better than you have imagined. So there is no use of this tears or pain today, guys. So this acceptance of this difficult situation is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. So that is the energy for this card, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. So for those who chose this second card, guys, it is the little match girl. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our circumstances today, maybe it may be in our relationship, in our life in general, we are, what to say, in a particular circumstance we see so much pain, suffering and tears in our circumstances. We are trying to run away from it, trying to what to say, avoid this sadness, but this card calls for action. So some kind of help, whatever it is, when we help those people who are less fortunate, less blessed than us, they are also human beings just like us, guys, and they are in some kind of a difficult situation, and it is our duty, or it is our what to say, the right way of doing things. So whatever we can do, maybe it may be a really harsh circumstance, but we can be that person of love, comfort and warmth to that other person. So it is going to give them hope and happiness, and it is going to what to say, change the way things are for them. So we are going to help this person feel courage, strength and love, if we step up today, step up with a kind heart, with a compassionate gesture in their life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your situation someone needs help, and this card calls for that, guys, for that helping nature of yours. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.